gonna love today, gonna love today. Everybody's gonna love today, gonna love today. Any way you want to.
Immerse yourself in the Omma Forest. A bewitched forest where art and nature blend into one. One of the most spectacular landscapes in the Basque Country. Located in Cortesubi, in the natural reserve of Urdaibai, the Omma Forest is in itself a unique, surprising and unforgettable adventure. The land art movement, a creative current that aims to move artwork towards nature, inspired painter and sculptor Agustini Barola to use the landscape itself as a framework and raw material. The Omma Forest offers you the opportunity to immerse yourself in an enchanted world filled with fascinating figures of people, geometries and animals. Some of them can only be seen from certain angles. As one walks through the forest, the figures form before one's eyes. In some cases, drawn on a single trunk, they come to life before you. While in others, you will have to observe a whole set of trees in order to understand this work of art. A sample of this is the image of these two motorists. A personalized walk, partly interactive, since you will become the protagonist of the work. Close by are the caves of Santimamigne, well worth a visit. Here, you will find remains and paintings dating back to the Upper Paleolithic period. Declared part of the World Heritage of the UNESCO, this geological, archaeological and artistic gem lets you travel back in time to get to know the paintings and etchings left behind by the ancestors of the Basques. Omma, Santimamigne and the whole of the region invite you to come and enjoy the nature, history and art of Euskadi.